So right now, I think every Combi companies, they're having the system, cloud system, but Lainox already been doing way back earlier.
Hi Michael.
Hello.
So I hope you are enjoying your day today.
Yes, of course, with this beautiful booth here.
Okay, so before I start with the question,
yes.
Firstly, maybe you can briefly introduce yourself, your role in Lainox.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Michael, and I'm actually the regional sales manager for Lainox. Okay, I've been in this industry for 1.5 years, but I was a chef before for more than 10 years now. So yeah.
All right, that's great. So the first question.
Yes.
So what's one feature in Lainox that surprises first-time users?
So the first-time users, the features that always surprise them, based on my experience, will be the high temperature preheating, because we have around 320 degrees Celsius for preheating. So most of the customer, they feel very surprised when I mention that very high temperature.
Alright, okay. So next one, what makes Lainox stand out in the Combi oven market?
So what makes us stand out is actually the multiple range that we have. So we have the range for the premium cooking. We also have the range for the budget-friendly option, and we also have regeneration machine. We also have like blast chillers to keep your food. So what we're giving the customer is actually the full solution of cooking, storage, and regen.
I see. Alright. So next one, how does Lainox technology help chefs to be more creative and consistent?
So how to be more consistent? So with our help of our NABOOK, so which is actually our cloud system, our recipe book in our NABOOK system.
Okay.
So what the owner or the chef, they can create recipes, and then they can preset the recipes at our system. So this ensures that everybody uses the same setting of cooking during, let's say for example, a chicken. We're going to cook a chicken. Let's say there's a recipe there. All the stuff you do is just press that button and cook accordingly how the chef has said.
Alright. Okay, last question. Can you describe Lainox in one word?
In one word, will be innovative.
Okay, that's all?
That's all. Innovative. Because I will say why innovative, because throughout the years, Lainox has been very innovative on creating the new systems. For example, like our cloud system is actually has been around for more than 10 years now. Alright. Back in the days, people were like laughing, why would we have a cloud system on a cooking oven, right? So right now, I think every Combi companies, they're having the system, cloud system, but Lainox already been doing way back earlier.
Alright, so I believe that's all.
Thank you very much.
So thank you, and we appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
You have a wonderful day.
Alright, thank you. Bye.